Hey, Kyle here. Today I'm switching out the door speakers in a 2025 Chevy Trax 2RS. I doubt the trim level matters. They're probably all the same. The stock ones are, I don't know, they're okay, but they don't handle heavy bass or anything. So I got these Kicker CSC 65s from Crutchfield with the got the speaker mounts and the wiring harness, so I don't have to splice any of my wiring and void whatever ridiculous Chevy warranties they have. So inside of your the handle part here, there's a little round tab, and you need to pop that up. And there's a 7mm bolt, and then in behind this, you take your trim tool. I put it up in the corner, just pop it out. You don't scratch anything. There's another 7mm bolt. You take those out. Okay, and then grab the bottom of the door. What the hell? This is fuck, that's on there good. Normally you just give it a good yank. My God. Front doors were a lot easier. There we go. I'm just gonna hold on to the panel instead of disconnecting everything this time. 1 7mm bolt. Then pull up on the red tab, push the black tab, pop it out. Connect your harness, push the red tab back in. Then just put your 7mm bolt back in. Should say carefully put your panel back on, but as a body technician since I was 15, it's a little hard to be gentle on things. You get pretty annoyed with shit. And then pop that back in. Then you're going to close your tab. You're going to put your trim piece back in. There you go. 4-minute speaker change in the door. I already did both the front. They're the exact same, but you actually want to disconnect all your plugs. So for this, there's a little red tab that you slide to the side, and then you push the black tab at the side and pop it out. And down here, just same thing. You gotta push tab out of the way, push tab in, pop it out. And then for your door handle, it's just push down on the clip, wiggle a little and pull it, move it to the side, pop it out, take your whole panel off, put it somewhere where you won't scratch it, because these things are easy to scratch. I was having the head unit fixed, and the technician put a nice nasty gash there. Don't know how the hell he did it, but Chevy's on the hook to replace that trim piece now. They also fried my USB receptacles, so Yeah, but I mean, speakers are upgraded now. That's how easy it is. Hope you enjoyed watching. Good luck. Take care.